like that bird. He is really cool. I've never seen anything like that before. The Peter Jesse Connor. Really cool. These have been beautiful baby blue and gold macaws. Hey, pretty boy. Hello. Wow, look at him. Oh, he wants to get my phone. Hello. He's got his foot. Super birdies. He's a pretty tongue kinder. Oh, that was loud. I don't know who that was. Look at him hanging upside down. Hey, buddy. What are you doing? What are you doing? I like this one too. He's cool. What's that? Hello. Hello. Yeah. Oh, they want to get pet right there. Oh, hello. He's all flapping his wings over there. What's up, buddy? Look at that tail. These guys got a really long tail. You see, hello. Hello, buddy. Hi. You silly? Look at the size of the tail. Look at that tail. Look at that tail. Wow. Nice African gray. Hey, buddy. You like your toy? You want your toy? Yeah. Right here. The rose-breasted. He's cool. The rose-breasted cockatoo. Hello, buddy. Amazon. His name's Jax. Hello. Hi, pretty birdie. Hello. What's he doing? I wanted to know who said hello. Oh, look, there's a cockatiel down there. His name is Spencer, the male cockatiel. Hey, buddy. He looks like Sugar. He does look like Sugar. Uh-oh, somebody got down on the floor there. Here he goes, he's going back up. He must have fell. He's climbing back up the cage. Look at this tail on this bird. It's, every time I get the tail, it's like... Hello. Yeah. The free bird. Ready? They are cool looking though. I like his head. Look at the head on him. Colorful. Aw. Look at him back there. Swinging around. He's looking at him. What are you doing? Nice belly. Hello. He's just a baby. Big one too. That's a big bird there. Hello. Look at this guy. A little smaller. What's up, buddy? Oh. What are you doing? You get out? How'd you get up there? How'd you get up there? You're on his cage. He's like, somebody's on my cage. Yeah, is he on your cage? Hello, buddy. Did somebody get up on your cage there? You up there sitting. Oh boy, look at the cockatiels in there. Look at these two. Oh, they are babies. Look at his head. He's got a little head. What's up, guys? I like the white and gray one over there. Them two are cracking me up. They're so cool. More baby blue and gold macaws. Hello, guys. What you doing back there? They're pretty birds. Parakeets. buddy? What you doing? Did you figure out what kind of bird that is? Oh, are you all right? Oh, you fell down. What are you doing? Here, come here. Oh my gosh. You all right there, dude? Is that what that bird is called? That's a pretty bird, right? I really like that. It's pretty. This guy here. Oh, my finger's in the way here. Oh, I really like that bird. He just flew out from that room over there. He's really cool. I've never seen him like that type before. There's some more of these guys over here. He is really cool. Look at him. What's that? I like that. I've never seen anything like it before. That's so cool. What are you doing? Some Warner. He's sold. Yellow Lord Amazon. Somebody's on my phone. There you go. He flew back over keeping this bird. He's so cool. What are you doing, buddy? There's a lot of birds over here. I think he was trying to go back in his cage. He's flying all around. Chasing them. The little bird chasing the big bird. He hopped over. He's playing with some up there now. The big bird back there is like, I'm out of here. Hello. Hello. You saying hello? Hello. Get back to your cage. I think he's hungry. You got some blueberries down in there. Look at them blueberries. Mmm, yummy. You got blueberries down there? I think he wants to eat. You ready to eat? You gonna go eat? I see some blueberries in there. You're a pretty bird. There he goes. That's what it was. He was hungry. Wow. He's eating them blueberries. Look at that. He's eating them blueberries. It's amazing. I've never seen a bird like that before. That's what it's called. Wow. Hello. Hello. This guy who's eating. Is that good? I like this bird. Oh, I think I like them all. Oh, he came right over here. He was playing toy back there. Hello. Hello. How you doing? How you doing? That is one big bird. Wow. That's a big one there. Hello. I got you up on there. I got your friend. He's playing up there now. I really like the blue and gold macaw. I haven't seen any cockatoos here. What are you doing, buddy? What are you doing? You silly? Video this because I can't believe all the food selection they have here. Look at that. I like that you can get something. Just get a bag, pour in what you want. This way you don't buy like a whole big container or something and they don't like it. And you're stuck with it. Although I do give it to the birds outside if that happens. But you could try little bits of things. Oh, I was here earlier and one of them said hello. I was trying to figure out who is hello. But when I come in here, nobody says it. They call you, they come back in. You want to say it? You say hello? Was it you? I'm just going to say it was you. The Amazon. Was it you? Both pretty birds. Look at those toys. Stuff. This is cool. That's different. Pretty cool. Oh. Looks like a swing there. Oh, parakeet toys. Oh wow. Looks like a Christmas like decorated thing here. Cool toys. Oh, look at that size, that pencil. Beautiful, one of them big birds. You chew right through that. I like the little bell on there. Got some really cool toys here for birds. Look at this. Birds actually like to chew on this here. The basket wicker. And they like to shred through the paper. And that's really cool, good for foraging. These are nice to have. You can bend them any which way on the cage. Straight, turn. Nice big sanding poles. It's a nice sanding perch. Wow, I got some really big toys up there. Flight suits. Oh, look at this. That's cute. All my birds like this, the cockatoos, conures, movie popcorn. Looks like a cupcake. I really like that. I think that's really cool. A lot of shredding there going on. Little sneakers. You're gonna get one? Me too. I think Sonny would like that. Got a bunch of seed in there. Yeah. The little finger traps are cool. I like this ball. I like the color of it. I like this too. Sonny liked the chop. That's like a Chinese. There's some chopsticks in there. To go. Chinese to go. But the flight suits. Some birds like them and some don't. Come around this side. Oh, look at that. That's cool. That's really cool. It's kind of falling off there. You see something down there? Check that out. They got some really cool toys here. Looks like a mop. Plastic. They don't really need to do the plastic too much. Chew on it. They like the paper more. That's pretty cool. This is cool looking. This is neat. I really like this. Got little sneakers on there. Oh, look at that. That's neat. That's really neat. This bird store has a lot of different things than the other one does. We're going there next. This one's not as big, but it's really got some cool toys. Ah, that's cool. Oh, I like that. I'm going to show you, this looks like a slice of pizza. A lot of frilly stuff. Yeah, they definitely like to pull this stuff out. Hey, hello. Hello. Hey, bird. Oh, look how cute that bird is. You like playing on his back. Oh. He's so cute. He's staring. Look at him. Hi, I'm leaving now. Look at him. He tore that whole thing apart.